So now we have, we're almost done, 44 more problems, and then I'm done. All right, so this is x, this is y, right? So this is the domain, and this is a what? Range. Goes one like this on the last one, right? So here it says what? The domain is what? All of these numbers here. So where are all these numbers? It's not H, G, J, but it's what? F, right? Number 11 is a system of equations, right? You notice that popped up twice on the last test. So a bunch of these that you notice pop up twice, make sure you know how to do them, because most likely they're going to be on the what? Test, right? Exactly how they come out, because they came out exactly twice. So here, 7 matrices, go to edit. So then 2 by 3, so it's in the first number is 15. Then you have a negative 12. Don't put minus 12, put negative 12. 13, 30, 9, and 4. See how I just typed these in? The next thing I'm going to do is push second matrices, right? Actually, you want to go to the main screen and clear it, right? Second matrices, go to math, and then go down to RREF. Second matrices, A, close it, enter, right? Remember, and then press math, fraction. So the first one, the x, is going to be what? So we're going to have a function here. It even asks you the same thing, ask you for the x. I'm telling you, it can't be too much different. Probably ask you for y, probably ask you for x. So so 1/3 and negative what, y'all? 2/3. Right? So your x, which one's 1/3? B. Okay, I did one just like this for the other test, so you can look at both of them, see which one you like better. Of course, I went a little bit quicker on this one because I already explained it once. So here, right, what do you notice that changes? It goes from 9C to what? 12C. Right? The 14 stays the same. Okay? So let's find, C is the number of passenger cars. So 9 and 12. So the length of each feet of, so basically the length is models the length of a what? Small train attached to the locomotive. So I think the 14 is a locomotive, basically, right? Like where the engineer, like when they drive the train, where he's at, is a 14. That's how big it is. For every car is 9. Now, for every car is what? What did it change to? Now for every car is what? 12. So it went from 9 to 12, right? So the locomotive is now 9. Nope, it's 14, right? Each passenger car is now what? You see where it says each? That means that that's the slope. Y'all see that? The same thing I've been telling y'all. Each, 9, and 12 is the slope. The slope is now what, y'all? 12. It was 9. Now it's what? 12. It says they're not trying to be tough on you. Okay? Straightforward. This problem exactly just like the other one, y'all. They want a solution. They want a value of x. Value of x, right? They want an x-intercept. What else is it called? Intercept. They want a 0. They want a root. All of these are the same meaning. The same thing, right? Basically, the way you find it is you want to know when y is equal to what, y'all? When y is equal to 0. When is y 0 here? Not here. 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 Right here. Y is 0. Remember, it's x and this is y. I don't care if it says G, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, whatever it says. This is your x side, this is your y side. When x is 3, y is 0. So that's going to be one of your solutions. So which one is it? B. It's that easy, y'all. I believe in y'all. Y'all can do it. Alright, number 14. Number 14. Okay? Okay, I had to change something. Alright, so number 14 says C is equal to 24.50 T. Right? So C is a cost, is a money. Money looks like it's 83. T is the number of tickets. It says if the student spends a total of $83 on tickets, how much tickets did he buy? Why don't we just type in the equation in there? Y equals to 24.50 T or X plus 9.50, right? Per second table, delete, right? If we put 1, it's what? 34. If we buy 2 tickets, how much is it? 58.5. If we buy 3 tickets, how much is it? 83. So how many tickets would you have to buy for this to be right? 3. Right? For some reason, I feel like the 2014 test is easier than the 2013. It's just my opinion. So remember, I taught y'all that if it's like this, less than or greater than, that means it's going to be what, y'all? It's going to be dotted. If it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it's going to be a solid line. So which two can you cancel if you know this information? Cancel B and cancel D. Right? Another thing, if we solve this for y, right? So 2x plus 2x, and then we have what? 3y is greater than 2x plus 12. And then we divide it by what? 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. We'll have y is greater than 2/3 x plus what, y'all? 4. So y is greater than. When y is greater than, you color at the top. This one is coloring at the what? Top. This one is coloring at the what? Bottom. This is less than. This is less than. This is greater than. We have what? Y is greater than. So it has to be which one? A. When it's colored greater than, you color on top of the line, right? Okay. Which statement about the quadratic parent function is true? Let's write it. It's a quadratic parent function. It goes like that. It goes like that. You got your x. You got your y. It's at 0, 0, 0 at the origin, right? That's where it touches. What else do you know about it? If you draw the y-axis is the axis of symmetry, right? Now let's read it. We analyzed it. Now let's read it. Its graph is symmetrical about the x. Is it symmetrical here about the x? Nope. Its graph is symmetrical about the y. If you draw a line down the middle, does it cut it in half? Does this look like this? It's a mirror image? Yes. Is it domain? Is a set of all, domain is x, right? Of all negative numbers? Non-negative numbers, I mean? No, because it's also over here, right? On the x. So it's also a negative number. So this h is wrong. Range. Is it the set of all real numbers on the range? Up and down? There's nothing down here. So it cannot be the all range. So it's G. It cuts it down the middle. Right? 17. 17. Okay? What does the x-intercept represent? So let's draw the x-intercept. There's a line, so let's just draw it. A. The number of cookies. The presenter. It says what is x? So they want to know what this 6 means. The number of cookies the presenter had before making any presentation? No. It started with what? 180. Right? Plus the 6, the x-intercept. X means what? Presentations. So it doesn't have nothing to do with the what? Number of cookies. The maximum number of cookies? Nope. It has nothing to do with cookies. What is the... It says x-intercept. X. X means presentation. Number of presentations made per hour. It doesn't talk anything about time. So it says hour. It can't be that one. The maximum number of presentations. X is presentations. Before running out of what? Cookies. Most likely it's going to be D. Right?